my new listing here, John Deere Drive in Millsboro, Delaware. And I want to take you on a tour today. What I think is special about this is the large lots, like 0.7 of an acre, plus it's 3,200 square feet inside. So it's if you're looking for more room, more space, bedrooms, this is the house for you. Built in 2022, so it's like new. So why wait for a new construction when you can have something turnkey ready to go right now? So let's go take a tour.